38 games on 375. Let's see what we can hit here. I'm in for $100. Wow. Oh, two sunsets. Ooh. All right. We'll make something happen. There you go. Oh, oh, that's nice. That's about like $140. Ooh, the Queens. Buffalo just missed it right there. Oh. I just started my morning here. I'm at the El Cortez. Ooh, if I had a 10 there, that'd be pretty dope. At least the sunsets are coming out, which I kind of like. I just got to make it to the 5th reel, and that's where we're gonna get paid some real money. I didn't get a coin yet, though. Coin. Ah. Come on. Make it happen. All sunsets. One more. Oh. 9s and 10s to the 4th reel. Ooh. I realize 10s come out pretty often. I they're loaded on the reel with that. Oh, aces would have been nice in that spot. Oh, yeah. Oh, one more. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, line it up. Oh. I think this might be all the bonus I'm getting. 364. Oh, that was nice. Ooh, I got the Cougars all the way to the 5th reel and the Queens too. That was nice. All right. Let me see here. Ooh, 662. Oh, wow. Oh, I didn't even know I was on my 51 game. Wow. Oh, couple hooks. Oh, wow. All right. We'll take the coins, then I'll take some more cash. Tens. Oh, wow. Oh, that other coin just stopped right there. Funny the way it's giving me these coins almost on my last spin. Oh, there you go. One more time. Oh, sunsets. Oh, I'd have nothing matching up on that. If I got a third coin, that'd have been nice too. Oh man. Come on, almost there. Oh, my last game. That was it. That was pretty good though. 683. I put $100 in here to start. Got 53 in my meter. Technically, I'm in the game for $47. So I did a nice profit here. All right, that was it, guys. The reason why I played this machine, I was gonna try to gun for this one right here, 242. I'm just messing around with it. In fact, I should just give it a couple spins since I'm up. 242 is rather large on this game here. Yeah, in order to get the 242, you need this extreme wheel with 2 other coins. You need this extreme. That's how you trigger the 242 bonus. Oh, made it to 243 now. All right. All right, I'm quitting at 720. Yeah, give it a shot. All right, maybe next time I'll circle back and check on this game. All right, I'll see you guys. All right, Las Vegas. This was my first stop here at the El Cortez. Haven't been here for a while, so I checked out a game. Played the Buffalo Diamond Extreme. So right now I'm currently up $621 on my first stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and venture up maybe to Circa, check out Golden Nugget. All right, I was just about to go right out the door and I didn't even know they had master treasures here at the El Cortez. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a run at it. I see a play here. So I'm gonna just do a quick play. So I did insert in my phone that I won 621. It could change. All right, let me see what happens on this. All right, everybody, master. All right, that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna play the 1 cent denom, and I see a $1.50 bet. We'll see what happens here. Stuck in $100. I don't see that guy boosting up my multiplier. Oh, dude, he just passed. Yeah, you normally see that big dude, but I don't even know where he's at. Ooh, that's a line pay. That's $4.80. Huh. Wheel, wait. Uh-oh. That doesn't look so good. How much I got? $82. Yeah, this game can be dragging sometimes. Hey, guy. Finally, I caught that guy. Oh. keep on passing by. I gotta stop and tell me what's up. Oh. $4.80. Ooh, how much is that symbol? Ooh, 108. Man. Wow. Really jiving for this game now. Maybe I should just walk past and not even check it. Oh, that's crap. Oh, I barely made my money back. $32. Okay, I lost $7. Now I gotta go ahead and cash in my ticket and wash my hands. Alright, that was Massive Treasures. Alright, Las Vegas. I'm just finishing up my session right now. I'm gonna play one more machine. As we speak right now, I'm up $520. I'm gonna go ahead and go for this Buffalo Lightning here at the Golden Nugget. Major has been maxed out for $2,000 for about a couple weeks already. I'm gonna see if I can bring it down. I'm just gonna shove $200, and win or lose, I'm just gonna walk, and I'm gonna go ahead and profit $300 for the day. All right, talk to you guys later. Okay, here we go. Maxed out 2,000, 5 cents D now. It's gonna be $15 a bet. Shoved in $200, and let's get a bonus or natural buffaloes. Oh, that's way too low for me. Okay. Oh, geez, I'm not even on the, I'm playing $5. So this is what it looks like, $5. Buffalo meters, $9.39. Oh, missed it by 1. All right. Wow. Wow, looks pretty dead. Oh, all right. $200 went by pretty quick. All right, that's it. All right, sometimes it's so hard to walk away losing $200, but you know, I have to stick to my word. There's always tomorrow. And if you guys like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. I try to play every day and I upload, and you can just check out my results. All right, see you guys.